still hot. So I'm going to peel them, not peel and then peel already. You have to slice them in a two. I'm going to wrap them up to carry them up. So I'll probably eat one of them later still. But eat one, eat some and eat one. And carry up the rest. I have some like this, some good roast breakfast. Make some, probably make some, what do you call it? Salt mackerel for husband. With some of that. Okay, and saltfish. I'll probably make some cauliflower rundown. Eat with my own. Pine sweet with them. Bad. After this, I'm going to take a little nap. And come back. Peel my June plum them. And put them in one bag. Put them in the fridge and make them go and chill. So when we're ready, we just pack everything up right this one. But right now, my belly full of pine and cane. And so now come back. Yes, good. I am back, but to peel up them June plum, right? My daughter said she want that one, so I just go ahead and peel this one for her. The gas is over there, so peel the one for her first. Get her out of the way. But them June plum look real good. Jamila, you don't want the June plum? You never want the June plum now? Damn, it look green. It's sweet. It looks sweet. The one that did easy for peel. It's sweet.
It's eatable.
What the heck?
It's dry.
Put some salt on it.
Oh no.
Sugar.
No.
I guess we can manage them because we have to carry them up green.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you have to carry them on, get ripe in the fridge, right?
Oh, that's true. I have to cut them off for the seed.
Oh, it's not bad. June plum.
The one that look ripe too. It's good if we can't carry them up like this.
Wash it your bag.
Oh yeah, I'm rinse it out. Can I cut up the June plum them and put some in one bag for you and some for me. I'm gonna peel all of them. Just make one thing and just peel everything now. Just get that out of the way, you know what I'm saying? And then the bammy now, they're not the bammy, they what you call it? Am I ripe up enough? The breadfruit, yeah, the breadfruit that I got slice and then put it down. Yeah, wrap it up in something, file and whatever, so we can get the carrot up without, it smell like perfume and.
It's crazy like this. America don't have shit like this.
I know, right? Friggin' June plum. Jesus mercy, June plum good for cancer.
Imagine if you have a tree.
That's why them don't want to carry the seed. Them don't want to carry the seed because the seed can't grow.
Remember,
you can't hide one.
Yeah. No, but you say you gotta put it in the bag. The seed is in here.
Yeah, but they have to cut off the meat off, right? You say.
They might cut off the meat and give it to you?
Me if I cut off the meat before me can carry it. Me can't carry it like this. Then I want to bring the seed for plant it over there. So put them out of business.
Me don't put the seed.
You want to add one seed?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Me feel me gonna add one seed too.
Yeah, I want to see them.
Good, if that's true,
put
right?
Punchy area.
If you come think you couldn't bring June plum. June plum they are foreign too. But
No,
it's not in
so.
June. I buy June plum up there, but I only in the summertime. I make June plum. I make June plum recipe, June plum juice. But you don't get it all the time. Upon that good. Oh shit.
You don't get June plum fruit.
No. I think I did more than that. I want enough in the box still.
You don't put it right in my bag. Yeah.
Me up Gary even want 2 seeds some kind of way. And see if I can plant it. I wonder if I can sneak one June plum.
Gotta be aware, please.
Put nail on it.
I'm hungry.
Let it work get turned back because I want June plum, you know.
I'm not gonna smell bad.
Them not gonna turn it back, them just gonna stay for dash you away.
Please.
Could you throw away that June plum, ma'am? And all them say, Mom, could you please throw away the June plum? Yes. God have all them bad so. Good. I have to go to one story time with the experience.
Just if I check it in your bag, you don't see them opening it. Opening it probably when
I think when they reach to the US, them search your bag, you know. Yeah. Yeah, them search your bag, custom search your bag. When you to see if you come up with no plants and shit.
Watch me. Watch me.
Them check your bag, man, but why the June plum?
Come on now.
We must can't sneak one June plum seed. Even one?
That's what I'm gonna take it right now.
And carry it right home, go plant that shit.
It's under the sink.
Cause no me I guess I forgot. Good, I wanna carry up on a June plum. You never carry up June plum?
No, I don't think it's so complicated.
I never know say it's so complicated neither. So I want to carry on a June plum because somebody tell me say me can't bring the June plum. Even if I peel it off of the skin, I still have to peel off the meat part of it and discard the seed. So how I want to carry up on a June plum? Have you all ever bring up June plum from Jamaica? Yeah, go on YouTube. Go on YouTube. Search for it on YouTube and see. I know so sometimes they take up people mango too. When not come up with mango and them something there, them take it away. But it's really hard to see them take on the June plum. After my uncle go pick the June plum for me. You know what I say, good day? Can't afford for them take on the June plum at airport. So I think we need to follow the rules and regulations. I still got sneak one like a 1 seed a night still. I guess I don't know why you come up there plant no damn June plum. But if you go Florida, people in Florida have June plum tree too. I think, right? If any of them go to ever see a June plum tree in Florida, please comment because I want to know what's going on with this June plum business here. Because right now, I feel like I want to carry the June plum them just like this. For real. Somebody tell me say I can't come up with no seed in it. I have to cut off the meat. Cut off the fruit itself. I don't know. Because I'm tempted to just leave it the way yeah. But it's really hard for me to see me slice it up so nice. Peel it and everything. And then them take on my June plum from me. You know what I say? Anyway, good. I'm not plan for. I'm not plan to bring back a whole lot of stuff still because I don't want no issue. So I have like about 3 bottles of rum cream, 3 little bottles of rum cream. So hopefully I not have no issue bringing in back those rum cream. It's a small one them. And I'm going to bring back breadfruit. That's about it. Souvenirs. Little knickknacks here and there. Because I don't want to have no problem of customs in the US. I don't think they're going to have a problem leaving with it, but once we get to America, it's going to be an issue. So, let's try to keep everything under wraps here. Don't mind the noise in the background here. Bike can go by. The bikers them's passing through. I think that has fix my back so they're not drop down. Yeah, that's good. Some of them are ripe up already, one here ripe. I still never forget the coconut water, but coconut jelly, they buy it on the roadside. But my uncle have maybe 3 coconut trees in the yard. But we can't get nobody. My uncle can't climb them something. My uncle has 80 something. So we can't get nobody if we could climb it. To pick it. For sure. Stay organic. Good me I eat real good. If I come down here, I eat real good. Real good. Everything organic. Everything me eat fresh from the tree. There's a June plum right there. And there is a June plum right here. Let me see the June plum them. See the June plum them there? See the June plum them there? I ate that. I ate that. I ate that. June plum for kill. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. So I'm gonna just go in and give them a nice little rinse. Then peel them. Give them a nice little rinse. Slice them up. And put them in a bag, yeah. One for me, one for daughter. Alright, so good. So we wash the June plum them. We're gonna cut them up and put them in there, so. And then put them in another bag, yeah. Since I'm some enough to carry up no seed, when I saw my ear, you know, I'm not gonna take the chance, you know what I'm saying? So we'll go ahead and just cut off them things, yeah. Cut them off. Cut them off of the seed. You kind of hard to cut off of the seed, you know? Oh my goodness. Kind of hard to cut off of the seed. What a whole of work. Anybody when I give them a June plum, I tell them better love me. For real. Like, for real. Because it's hard to come off of the seed. Jesus, no sir. I want to power at this. I want to power at this good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna front. Because I have time for my hands. I'm not know where I go. Because I can't go to a party. Besides, going out to dine. Huh? I have time for my hands so I can't sit down right here. So I'll cut off them damn meat off of the June plum. Crazy. Yeah. Holy power is good there. So mosquito come good there. Mosquito in full effect. My daughter want June coming, but my daughter now help me cut it off. And I only power this. Jesus. Only for friggin' work this. But put it this way, if I don't make June plum juice, you have to cut them off of them. You have to cut them. You have to cut them off of the seed in order to make the June plum juice, right? So it's the same process, only because it's a whole damn lot. I'm gonna try to figure the easy way out, but there's no easy way out to this little agenda, yeah. But make me speed up the process. So I'm gonna speed up the part of the video. So I don't know if it's watch me struggle too much to peel off them damn sitting here. They'll have cuss it because I'm tired already. But yeah, I'm gonna speed up this and I'm gonna go and watch me peel this, alright? Alright, good day. Everything's done. Okay. Everything done. So now go in and just put them in the bag, yes, alright? Alright, they're going to sit there now. Set and ready to go. See, they're good, eh? Everything all done. Nice and prep cut and nice and mosquito bite. So now I'm going inside. Finish up the vlog, yeah.